Alright, y'all, I'm going to show you how to replace a keyboard on a Lenovo T450. This is the keyboard that I need to replace, and this is the laptop that I'm going to be removing the keyboard from. Alright, here we go. Now what we first do, turn it over, remove the battery, and we have to remove these two stoppers right here. Next, we're going to turn it over. And push the keyboard back with these tabs. We're doing that so we can reveal the screws in there. Well, there. See the screws? One right there. There's about 6 screws that we need to loosen. They're captive screws, so you don't have to worry about them being fully removed and losing them. Now what we do, pull it up from the front. Now we do lift this from the bottom, pull it forward, and flip over. Now we're going to go under this rubber cover to reveal the tab or the ribbon cable. Undo the ribbon cable connector. And voila. And there's another ribbon cable connector that needs to be removed, and voila, that's how you remove the keyboard. Now all you do is reverse steps to install it. Now time to install it. What we do, lift this tab. Now you see this little hole in this rubber tab. We have to route the ribbon cables through that hole. Okay, it's been routed. Now connect the ribbon cables to the Now let's test it out.